Hello everyone. Welcome to today's forklift safety operation guide. Today, we will introduce the 5 musts in forklift operations. The first must is: at the worksite, if the operator notices that other personnel are not maintaining a safe distance from the forklift, they must immediately stop the operation. The second must is: when driving at intersections, forklift operators must reduce speed, sound the horn, and perform a hazard anticipation warning confirmation. The third must is: when the forklift stops operating, the operator must turn off the engine, remove the key, and engage the handbrake, cocking it in the designated area. The fourth must is: before starting work each day, a thorough inspection must be conducted according to the checklist before any operation. The fifth must is: during forklift operations, if any abnormalities are detected, the operator must follow the stop, cool, wait principle. These are the 5 musts in forklift operations. Immediately stop the operation if other personnel are not maintaining a safe distance at the worksite. Reduce speed, sound the horn, and perform hazard anticipation warning at intersections. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and engage the handbrake when the forklift stops op. Rating: thoroughly inspect the forklift before starting work each day. Follow the stop, call, wait principle if any abnormalities are detected during forklift operations. Thank you for watching, and we hope today's safety operation guide has been helpful to you. See you next time.